Grayson, you want to go fishing?
No.
All right, bye.
All right. One more back that way from this way, and I will go back over there from right on the right side of the bridge. Oh no, I see more of them chasing when I slowly swim it. So, that's cute. Smallmouth, the jig. A really small one. That's cute. Sweet. What? Okay. Guess I can do that. Two of them? The same way? Is this the same one? Oh no, it looks smaller. Yeah, this one's way smaller. Wow. So, I've been slow hopping it. Oh my goodness. And nothing. And I swam it in 2 back to back. Okay, can we do 3 in a row? Let's find out. I'm actually let this one sink. Wait a second. There's a big largemouth. It's a little big for this spot, but not. It's probably the bigger fish I've seen in there. So I got 2 back to back. Little bitty smallmouth. No way. That's 3 in a row. I'm on fire. This the bigger smallmouth. That was bigger root. I'm on fire. He has got a bite mark right in the side. Maybe a turtle try to bite him once. Nice. 3 in a row. Oh. Oh my god, I got the biggest smallmouth. Oh, so it was a smallmouth. Sweet. Heck yeah. That's the biggest one out of there. I'm definitely taking a picture of it. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, please land it. That'll be 5. Okay, so now I can move on to the next spot today. There we go. Sweet. That was quick. Maybe 5. Oh, this is my favorite spot. I don't know, maybe there'll be a different technique here. I know the fish over here are bigger. If you can get them to hit. Oh, here comes the stupid ducks. Car alarm! alarms, trains, all sorts of noise. That helps catch fish too. I don't see nothing chasing that. Ah. Yeah, let's go further down because I'm not even seeing any. Okay, you go right there. I'm going down to right here. That'd be 6 on the day.
No way! How was that fish?
It's a smallmouth.
No way. Wait, where'd you catch it at? I went down there.
Oh, you don't walk? Never mind.
No way. I'm with that fish.
I love kids.
I'm with that fish.
She's walking right over to where you.
Oh. Have it.
Okay.
Open that mouth.
Open that mouth. Okay, hold on. Show the camera. Here, I'll throw them in.
I want to try and hold it. I probably will catch one.
No, you won't. What? What? Skeet 7.
How do you hold it?
Now I'm gonna show the camera real quick. Number 7 on the day. Put your thumb, the thumb right in his mouth. Oh, if he'll open it. It doesn't hurt. There. Woo. That was quick. It's just a fish. You touched the fish. Good job. It was me. You guys want to go to the next spot?
Yeah.
All right. What was that? Come on, guys. Let's hit the last spot. It's going to be over here at this corner. Okay. I'm going over here.
I would like to live here. It's just, how would you get out of this house? That's the question.
This is just their backyard.
Oh, this is the backyard? Well, they have a little patio to go fishing.
Oh yeah, Grayson, go grab your bag. We'll go back to the spot by the... Oh, I thought I had a fish. It was a leaf. There. The other place was better today for some reason. I caught 7 today, but I thought this would be better because it's bigger. Grayson! I usually get 1 over there. Not today though. He would already hit it. We're gonna try one more spot because it's gonna be dark soon. And Abigail has school tomorrow. This is the last spot. Ooh, had a bite. Sweet.
No way! No way! No way! I want to get that biggest fish. I want that biggest fish. I want that biggest fish.
Hold them tight,
That's
okay?
the biggest fish.
Make sure you get them in the water.
I've never seen this biggest fish.
Good. Okay, I'm doing one more cast and we're going. So I better catch a fish. Well, that one don't count because that don't count. I threw it over the bar. Come on. Who's Muscle Man? Yeah, something like that. Uh-oh. That's crazy because on my camera it looks like it's like real sunny and bright, but it's getting dark. Yeah, look.
Oh, geez.
See, it looks like it's still sunny, but it's actually... Okay, I'm gonna slow reel this in. No, no hits. I was hoping to get one more, but I can't complain. I got the one out of there without realizing I would. Okay, let's go. We had fun. Maybe next time we'll catch fish. Well, you guys too. That was fun.
Peace out.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace.